Today we're going to unbox this PlayStation camera. So it's not the best camera, but it's going to do the job. Let's go ahead and open it up. It's pretty hard to get that seal. There we go. There's a tab here to pull it out. Here's the camera itself. The instructions, I guess. Yeah, instruction manual. And nothing else. Brown little zip ties. This come with a plastic protector here. Does come with another plastic protector. This is kind of like a different material, like a rubber. Does hold on to it. It's just not plastic. It's like rubber, I believe. This little does come with a USB connector. So the cable does measure a little bit more than 6 feet. So I'm going to go to the settings. We're going to go to accessories. Other accessories. So it's giving me the error. I'm going to disconnect it and reconnect it back up. Let's see if that works. I just disconnected it and reconnected it. So it still says it's not connected. Okay, so the PlayStation 5, it does not recognize the camera in the front port. You have to connect it in one of the rear ports. Okay, so it's recognizing it. Let's go ahead and just go in a random game here. I'm gonna go ahead and see if it's gonna broadcast. Broadcast options. Display camera, we're gonna check it. So yes, right, okay, we're gonna position it wherever you want. I'm gonna put it on the top right there. So the camera does look pretty good. It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. So far the camera is working great. So far it's a nice little camera. The only thing I didn't like so far is the short cable. So it's about a little bit more than 6 feet. It's about 6.5. It does seem like it's a long cable, but once you connect it to the PlayStation and you want to mount it wherever you are, it is quite short. So it would have been nice if it had a longer cable. The other thing, try, if it doesn't work, try connecting it to the rear USB ports, because on mine it didn't work in the front one. I don't know why.